Hey everyone, I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. In today's video, I'll show you how to export products on Shopify. First, we'll access the Shopify dashboard. I've already got the Shopify dashboard open here. Now, on the left sidebar, we'll click on the Products button. Let's click to access it. The product page opens, listing all items in your store. Here you can easily save all product info, stock, descriptions, and prices. Select products you want to save by checking boxes next to them. To exclude products from export, simply leave them unchecked. In my case, I want to select all products. There's a checkbox in the upper left corner that will mark all products. Now, on the upper right side, there's a button labeled Export. Click it to open the product export page where you'll see the export options. You can export products from the current page, all products, or just selected ones. Let's select all products. Below, it'll ask how you want to export. You can export as a CSV file or a CSV for Excel and other spreadsheet programs. We'll leave the default option checked. Now on the right side, we'll click Export Files, and it'll say the export will be sent to your account's email. Let's check our email. In your inbox, you'll see an email titled Product Import. When you open it, you'll find a download section with a CSV file link. Click to download the file. It'll contain all the product info from your store. Now you've exported your Shopify store products and you can import them to other Shopify accounts since you have all the product details in this file. I hope this video was helpful.